This is a review of some Galaxy Bud cases and unboxing. Originally, I got this one from AliExpress for like a few dollars, but it doesn't stick well and the ring portion broke, so I bought two more ones. I was originally going to go for the speak-in one, but I found this one for like $2 on AliExpress that looks nearly identical and offers a lot of protection. So first, this is a hard plastic piece. It comes in two sections. I'm just going to use this when I'm at home because I'm not worried about falling. It looks like it's taped and it's poorly made, so I would not recommend this one. This one comes in two pieces, but when you put the buds in, you want to put them like this, and then it sticks and it's very tight, which is good. You have a little hole which lets you see the LED light with the battery. Then you close it like this and it clicks. And then when you want to open it, you push down and you pull at the same time. So here, so you push down and then you pull and then it opens. And there you can see it's yellow light because it needs to be charged. And here's the back for the USB-C port. And it comes with the carabiner.